The view from the hotel. Yeah. On a Saturday. Saturday morning. Very far. Oh, so normally you can walk over there?
저기까지 못
Hey,
간다는
there's
거지.
a person over there.
야, 이게 보이냐?
여기서 이제 사진도 찍으시고 가시고 버스로 와주시면 되겠습니다. 오기 전에 화장실.
이렇게밖에 안 보여.
This is the first attraction. We're supposed to go there, but
We are
since it's
supposed to
not,
get in. It's impossible yesterday, but 누가 있어? Well, he said
wanna
it's
get a picture?
here together.
Let's go. All right, where are we?
Simon.
This is the main. No, I'm putting in the camera. Like this is the main area.
Main area is called Simon.
Ximen.
Well, Simon.
Ximen? I don't know how to.
Simon.
X-I-M-E-N.
Adidas.
Ximen. Ximen. Men? Where?
Well, like I don't know. It's like a Times Square
where
or
are we
something.
going?
Well, this
Well,
is
we're
the
gonna go
main
like that
area.
way, and like we can go see. But we gotta cross here.
They do have a huge Nike and then Adidas like across each other.
Adidas.
Adidas. Hey, look at that building. That
Where?
building looks like historical. Right there, the red one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it looks like a police or some sort of government. Has like a eagle. I think it's like some sort of government building.
Well, I mean the other one or this one?
That one.
Ah.
Well, you see that the blue star with the bird, the golden bird, right there.
Oh yeah. Well, I
That-
meant that
that's
one.
a part of
I
the
meant
flag.
next one.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Let's go. Let's go.
It could be people are taking pictures over there.
Well, maybe we should go check it out. Well, what is this?
Oh, you know
thing?
what? It's the place we were talking about, the historical whatever.
That's what I'm saying.
No, it's that whole connected. Remember, there's clothes.
Oh, is it connected?
Yeah, I think it's that that whole area over there.
Oh.
Hey, you see that sign right there
Yeah.
in English?
In English?
Right there. Oh, let's cross. 10 seconds. Where?
Right there. Like welcome with the green monster right next to
Ah.
there's a color
Killer 007. Probably some store.
Panasonic H&M. That's a huge H&M. Secret
Tremendous
Station.
media.
Hey, maybe we could just have so many desserts here. Excited.
Hey, Taiwan souvenir.
Taiwan souvenir. Where? You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Ooh, Taipei. Hey, this is the place we have to.
Well, it's a rainbow. Hey, watch out. Is that the road? Oh. It says Taipei. Taipei Rainbow.
You want to go this way or that way? I think it doesn't matter.
Well, let's go this way
Check
first.
out the souvenirs first.
Sure.
You want to hold it?
Nah.
Ooh, they do have a magnet.
Well, we have to get one.
Yeah.
What about that one?
Well, what about we're not getting it right now, just like a C. And then hey, this is a super popular one. Hong Nisu. And that one too, you see that? The green onions and with the cream cheese, I think.
Yeah. This is like food souvenirs.
Yeah, we just look around and then we can find it out. Hey, we have to get this. Well, but this is the main area, so you know it's easier to just get here. So maybe later.
Yeah.
Oh my God, babe, we should
Hey,
get this.
buy 5, get 1 free.
Hey, that's too many. That's too many. Babe, get it right now?
Hey, you want to?
No, I mean, well, we can look back.
Okay, bye cái one free à. You can miss everything now.
Oh, everything.
Yeah.
Everything. Cheese shakes.
We go. Just keep going
Mm-hmm.
with the direction. Oh, a lot of mochi. Wait, this place kind of looks good too. Wherever you want it
Hey, can we stop here for a second?
Okay.
Oh, look at they got. This is what you're talking about, right? The
The milk.
milk tea anywhere.
And this is.
They have a mixed one. Mango. What is that fruit?
I don't know. Looks like a grape. Can we go?
Fine. It's a good song. Oh, wait,
Well, I'm not. What?
wait. Just waiting for the guy to leave. I want to get a view of the hall here.
Why?
I swear. Because it looks very, like from a movie. Let me get a picture. I want to edit it, and it looks like a. Well, if there wasn't plastic on those bikes, I can make it look like very old, like an old movie from like the 50s or 60s. Edit the picture to make it look like it's
Like
older.
Oh, what's that place? Why people are lining up there?
Seems like this cola.
Oh, that one. You want to try?
Mango peach oolong tea. No, I think it's right there to the right.
Well, no. Yeah,
That.
I'm saying like they are eating
Oh,
like
it's-
a noodle. You want to try that one?
Look, everybody's standing around eating.
Well, we can
Kinda.
just try one bottle.
Yeah, but look at the line. Look at the line.
Are you sure there's a line? Maybe there's just like
Yeah, that's the line. We're waiting. Hey. Oh, that guy was on our flight.
Huh?
That guy was on our flight right there. The pink shorts, he was on our flight.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember. It was like, you go say hi.
Well, I never said hi before. Hey, can we just... I mean, if you want to wait in the line,
What is it?
I want to get out of the rain. It's up to you. It's just rice noodle.
But babe, there must be a reason.
Yes, I'm asking if you want to go in the line,
Yeah.
let's go in the line.
Yeah, let's
if
go.
not, let's get out of
Okay,
here.
let's go.
I don't just standing around.
I was thinking, is it worth or not? Okay.
Well, you can't think if it's worth or not because you haven't tried it.
Depending on how I felt, do I want to wait or don't I?
A chunk flour.
A chunk hour of flour rice. You know what is
Are you
a
able to
flour
hold it?
rice?
Because my hands are full.
Yeah. I guess.
Hey,
Once I just get this, can we just get out of here and then like have some?
I'll do it. You hold it.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Okay, go. Can I turn the video off? Or you want
Chili.
put some
Yeah,
garlic
which
in
one?
there?
Garlic? Chili?
Some garlic. You want me to put some chili? Oh, you put whatever. I just in these situations.
How
when there's
many?
so many people,
Yeah, okay, how many?
oh, that's probably fine.
Okay.
Maybe one scoop of that.
Chili?
Yeah, maybe one. That's.
Good?
Yeah, I mean, I got it on your phone. I don't know about mine. Wait. Why are you going so far?
I just want to get
Oh,
out
okay,
of
okay.
the crowds. You want to try?
You get the first bite. I want to get
Okay.
you.
Ew, I hope it's good. Flour rice?
You stir it up a bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Windy. Hey, don't smell it. What do you think? Is it good?
I don't think you're gonna like it.
That's, oh, we got the small.
Hey,
Yeah, I can tell by the smell.
but it's
like,
good.
it's like,
Sorry. But it's good. I like it.
I'm scared.
Try it. No, it's good.
Moshi moshi.
Hey.
What is that?
Hello?
Why'd you say hey?
Hey, this is good. Well, I love it. How do you like it, sir? You don't like it?
You know what it tastes like? Noodle and liquid version of those dried fish skin snacks.
The katsuobushi?
What you put on top of
Katsuobushi. Katsuobushi.
Is that what it's called? Like the fish flakes that you put on top of the
Katsuobushi.
balls with it?
Katsuobushi.
I don't like it.
Just give it to him.
I'm not a fishy guy when it comes to that.
Hey, this is a small bowl. I don't think I can finish it though.
Well, I will say, like, it's not. I kind of like it. I like it, but it's just that fishy aftertaste. I'm not like, keen about. But it's not. It's
Because
not
we
bad.
just put the chili and then also the garlic. It's perfectly good.
It is. No, it is good. It's just the aftertaste. When you get to the aftertaste, hold on, let me.
Maybe if we're hungry, we can just come and just get a one class of
金鸡汤小笼包。
台湾鲜肉多汁小
幸福
笼
汤小笼
台湾
包
著。名产贡丸汤，台
But
湾顶级祖传卤肉
we
饭，
see a nice
欢迎内样。台湾 Southeast
uni. Whoa.
小笼包。So like, if you feel hungry, you can travel.
There's a 7-Eleven under a Starbucks. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. You're not interested in that?
Oh, are you?
Well, I thought you liked the dust guy.
I do, but it doesn't look like authentic actually.
What do you mean nothing? I see. If this was a T-shirt,
Yoda?
I would buy it. If it was a T-shirt, look at it. Look at him.
Is it a
Do
Yoda?
do not. There's no try. Yeah, look at it. He's just like.
Oh, why does they make this?
It's so cool, but it's a
Oh,
sweatshirt.
Wars.
I don't have. I want a T-shirt, but they don't have it. It's
I
one-
like this really, but
I love the color.
why
It's
do
like
they
dark.
just like make this kind of dumb?
It's not dumb.
Well, I mean, he doesn't have no face. It's not a Yoda.
It is Yoda.
I mean, I love this one, but it's like
I know. It's kind of like drawn derpy, but it's cool because it's simple.
hey.
What are you pointing? What? Oh yeah, I know somebody who has that.
Hey, this was expensive.
Hey, it is expensive?
Yeah, this is just the one.
Like 200 is $6, so 390 is probably
$12.
yeah.
$13. But how much was it the last time we got? It was less
It was
than
on sale.
$10. Yeah, it was less than $10.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, no, I just wanted to see
So
like the
I
prices.
guess-
Here, the prices
I guess that China is the most like cheapest place. I guess.
in Japan, but
Yeah, Japan. But we never been
China.
together.
oh yeah.
Hey, I kind of like that.
What? Andy Warhol? Oh my God, get out of here.
Yeah. Ah! I'm so full.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
You know him?
Yeah, Sully.
Oh yeah, I love him.
You know,
Customized?
fish are friends, not food.
Where does it come from?
Nemo.
Nemo?
Wasn't it fish are friends, not food? Oh wait, no, it was at the car wash. Was it fishtails or
I don't know.
fishtail? What is it? Some cartoon where it was like there was a cartoon of they were fish and stuff, but they worked at the car wash. Oh, is there a bunch of like shirts? All right, let's.
The fake sushi.
Oh, the fake sushi. What is that? Oh yeah, those plates bring me back. Too bad they don't have one of these with a cone on it.
What the cone?
Yeah, get that. Oh, if you know, you know. Oh, Watson's? They got a Watson's?
Well, what? What's your stuff? A little orange, maybe.
That's a steep one. We are here in.
Okay, Taiwan.
Oh, the Watson's was in Thailand.
Oh, yeah.
I'm thinking, yeah.
It wasn't from Korea.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. But it's all gone in Korea because it's Olive Young is kind of like a monopoly.
Oh, you see that?
See what?
Number 1 Taiwan souvenir.
Oh,
Ooh,
China one?
ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a pineapple.
yeah, that's the pepper. You want to try?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, why not? Go try it.
You wanna try?
Oh, yes, please.
This one, pineapple 100% this one. This
It's
one,
100%?
pineapple 80% this one.
Oh, 80%, 100%.
Sour, sweet.
Well, you try that on.
We're gonna try it out.
No, I'm good. You try it.
Thank you.
This one sour, this one.
Mm. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. Yeah. That's a lot of money.
It's like, how much is it? Like, almost like.
Well, 200 is
Well, how much was
6,
it?
so
200?
400 is it's
12.
well, it's about like $15 maybe. Wow, that was so good though. Ooh,
There should be a
whoa, kung fu massage? I have a kung fu massage. That's pretty cool.